Today we will learn about the backpack option in Scratch and how to use it. Backpack is a special feature in Scratch. It helps you save and reuse your code, sprites, sounds, or backgrounds in other projects. You don't have to create everything again. Just store it in the backpack and use it anytime. Look at the bottom of the Scratch screen. You will see a bar called Backpack. Click on it to open. If you are logged in, only then the backpack will be visible. Let's say you created a nice code for the sprite movement. To save it in Backpack, simply drag the code and drop it into the backpack area. Now it is saved. Open another project. Drag the code from Backpack into your new project. You can reuse it easily. You can also store sprites, sounds, and backgrounds in the backpack. Remember, the backpack works only when you are logged in to Scratch. So always log in first. Backpack makes coding faster and easier. Use it to save time and build amazing projects. Happy coding!